thing right now is the addicted.fun website, and everyone's looking to get a code. Everyone's looking on how they can join. I'll give you a code that I found online right now, and I'll also show it to you at the beginning of the video. You can pause it anytime. It's in my bookmarks. This is the code L58 and 52s after that. You can pause the video to see that. We'll go over within the game, and basically we've had really good results with different playthrough games. That's why I want to go over it. The first thing you should know about the game is that it is the real Solana account on Twitter interacted with it. So this is something, this is as good as it gets in terms of a play to earn game. And then a lot of the functions right now are not ready yet. So a lot of the functions are not ready yet. They don't have the weapon cases, the black marketplace, but it's basically a token where you create, you have weed tokens that you buy seed packs with, you upgrade the farms, you buy and sell stuff on the black market with it, and you have a war zone. All of this, you so far right now you're just buying packs with wheat tokens to upgrade. That's the whole thing. And the more packs you have, the more wheat you create, the more wheat you can sell. So that's exactly how it works right now. And also right now we have big bonuses for a deep trade X. And they're giving away, so you can create your own algorithm with Deep Trade X. Right now they have the prompt right here, and they're giving away $100,000 in early bird benefits. This is the most you can get from any platform, so do check them out. So right now I'm using a test wallet to test the game, so I haven't deposited on it. I can make another update on it, but basically want to get this video as soon as possible because some people can't join because they don't have an invite code and so on. But this is basically the idea of the whole game. You use the wheat to buy packs, and you buy packs to grow more wheat. Wheat you can sell for USDC or Solana, or you can buy more packs and more seeds, and that's it. This video is not financial advice. See you next one. Bye.